Hey buddies! In this unit, we are going to learn about narrative tenses. Tenses are pasts, they're present, future, and conditional, which we tend to forget. Narrative or narration tenses are those we use to speak about story. You know that normally when we tell a story, we tend to use the past all the time because the story has already happened. In this unit, we're going to use different past tenses and we will learn how to use them. Be aware that this video is a simplification, so there can be exceptions to the rule, but in general terms, it deals with everything you need to remember. Narrative tenses work like the DVD player, or for newer generations, any video player you can find on the computer. So there are different keys and options: the play button, the pause button, the rewind button, and the fast forward button. The play button is the key that is on most of the time. It corresponds with a series of actions in chronological order. There is one after the other. Therefore, is the past simple button. For example, Amparo woke up, had breakfast, got ready, and went to work. The pause button is used for stopping the image. When you do that, the action freezes, and you can describe the picture that you can see using the past continuous. For example, when Amparo entered her office, the secretary was preparing coffee. Her boss was talking on the telephone. The CEO was having a meeting. The rewind button jumps backwards, goes to a previous scene. This is past perfect. For example, Amparo sat at her desk. She realized that she had forgotten her keys at home and she had left the bedroom window open. The fast forward button moves to a future scene or image, so we use would. For example, Amparo thought that some burglars would enter her house if she didn't close the window. By combining all these tenses, we can enrich our language. Instead of using the past simple all the time, we can insert other tenses to be able to show different connections between the actions. If you liked the video, just subscribe or tell me or write a comment below or follow my Instagram account. Anyway, make me famous and release me from this nightmare. I'm out, motherfuckers. See you later. Hey buddies, this is a video to revise narrative tense. That already happened, so it's in the past. In this unit, we're going to use different past tenses and how to use them. We're gonna look... Hey buddies, in this... Pero soy imbécil.